Oftentimes I hear people saying to kids, oh, you helped me pack up, good girl. Oh, you put everything away, good boy. Oh, you listened, you came in when I told you to come in, good boy. What's that doing? It's pinning your behavior to you, the child, when it's always separate. So it's good job cleaning up, good job listening. So what we want to be teaching is that it's okay to feel guilty, because you're human. We all screw up. We all do stupid stuff. That's fine. That's normal. You did the wrong thing, buddy. That's okay. You know better. You know you're supposed to whatever the thing is that they did wrong. I know you know, bud. Just in that moment, you're a bit tired. You just weren't listening. That's okay. Always separating the child from the behavior, positive and negative. So it's not, you're a great dancer. You're a great artist. You're so good at math. Because think about what happens, and I know some of you can identify with this because you would have been given labels when you were a kid as well. You're the artist. You're the funny one. You're the good one at school and science and whatever. Then what happens when you break your legs and your dance career is over, or your footy career is over, or you get an F on a test? Then how do I feel like I have worth and value? Because everything that was all my worth and value and I am enoughness is gone. So that's why we want to be. I know it sounds nuts when it sounds pedantic of saying, don't say you're a good artist. Like, obviously, I would rather you say you're a good artist than nothing. Sure. But if you can try to just start being mindful of focusing your language on extending it to the behavior. Does that make sense? Because does it change my love or opinion of you if you made a cool art piece? No. I love you no matter what. I care about you no matter what. You're always at 100 out of 100. Same with the test or a race or something. You tried so hard. So it's like praising the effort. You sat there for like an hour working on that piece. That is so cool. I would find that really hard to sit for an hour and just focus on something. Great job. Like you tried so hard, like the effort. Because then if I lose the race, the trophy, the math test, the basketball game, I still feel good about myself. Because I know my coach, my educator, my parent thinks I'm awesome just for trying. Which is what most of us didn't get, right? As kids. Most of us got praise and pats on the back when we performed, when you did well on the test, and you did a great dance recital. Made a lot of money. Today, as adults, you might have that, when you hear your parents talk about you, you know that they'll be proud of you, if you, oh, she's in med school.